Are you ready? We're coming at you in this blues ukulele video. Man, we're putting it all together. Man, we're hammering it home. But this one specifically is on the blues quick change. All right, so this is going to be about the quick change, but we're going to put together what we've been working on in the last videos. Make sure to click below if you haven't seen those. Those are really, really important to know those videos. But by the way, welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. And if you're into ukulele reviews and tutorials like the blues, not only in ukulele, guitarlele, and baritone, this is a great channel for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on that bell notification. So this one, we're actually going to do two things here. Not only the quick change, which I'm going to talk to you about, but we're also going to put that turnaround that we did in the last video. That's why it's so important that you watch this video, because we're not going to really go over some of that stuff we already covered, but we are going to go over the new stuff, and we're going to play it all with the killer backing track. Oh yeah, so this is really cool. Why are we doing this? Well, one, I want you to get to know the blues. This is the most important style of music you need to know as a musician. And this is also getting you excited, getting you pumped for the blues to come to the blues webinar. Click that link below to sign up for that. You have to sign up. We'll give you all the information for that. That's with Tyler from 10 Thumbs Pro. And get ready, it's coming. The Blues Mastery course on ukulele by ukelikethepros. All right, so what is a quick change? It's very simple to explain. But when we play with the backing track, that's when it's going to put it all together. But anyway, the quick change is this. That's it. All it is in measure 2 of the blues. By the way, excuse me, measure 2 of the blues. That is when you go to the 4 chord. In the key of A, which we are in the key of, the 4 chord is the D7 chord. So you're going to do a measure of the A7. That's your boogie woogie. Remember, we did that in the video. If you haven't seen that, make sure you check those videos out. Then we go to the quick change to the D7, and we go. Nothing new there. Well, that's new, sorry. And then back to the A7 for measure 3 and 4. Nothing new there. Then measures 5 and 6 to the D7. This is just standard. Back to the A7. All right, now we're going to put that turnaround here. Check this out. Ready? Whew, so it's a lot. Yeah, oh, this is just a quick change. That's easy. Yeah, that is. And then we're putting the turnaround that we learned in the last video in this 12-bar blues form, which you have to get down. You got to get better at it. It's going to help everything. Trust me, ear training, rhythm, timing, confidence, everything. Trust me on this right here. All right, we're going to do that with the backing track. We're only going to do it one time, okay? But if you were playing like a blues jam or you were a blues, concert or something, you would play that over and over again. We're just one time. Now, let me talk about timing a couple of things. We already know the quick change happens on measure 2. Now, this turnaround, this is kind of tough. So when we're going to the last 4 bars, 9 through 12, it's E7 to the D7. Now you're going to hit this. You're going to hit that A7. That's bar 9. Sorry. Nope. That's bar 11. You're going to hit that one time. Boom. And you're going to stop the sound. That's beat 1. Then on beat 2, you're going to do the, where is it? 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we're going to just end on a A7 chord. If you were doing it more times, you'd go back to the top and do the whole thing again and again. All right. What to get out of this lesson? The quick change. Anytime you go to the 4 chord in measure 2, that's the quick change. And then we're putting that turnaround that we did in the last video into works right here. So you can see how it works in actual real blues. All right. Let's go ahead now. Let's bring in a backing track. Let's see how we do. Oh, 1, 2, 3, All right, 2 things there, quick change and that turnaround. How did you do? Let me know in the comments below. So get ready, get excited. We got a couple more videos of these blues here, but don't miss that blues webinar. Click that link below. You can sign up for that. And then the Blues Mastery course. That thing, I guarantee that course is going to change your playing and the way you look at music. So anyway, we'll see you there. Check out for the next videos. Thanks for being here, and we'll see you next time.